Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the single crochet stitch. To begin, insert your hook under both loops of the stitch, yarn over, and pull back through. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. You have now created a single crochet stitch. Again, insert your hook under both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through. I'll show you again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull back through. So far we have completed 1, 2, 3 single crochet stitches. And I'll do a few more so that you can watch. And I have a single crochet swatch here, and you can see how it lines up nice and neat. That is how you crochet a single crochet stitch. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.